Today I will show on how to use Claude OPUS 4.8 and OPUS 5 for free. Let's first download the Claude Code. Go to your browser and type Claude download. Choose Windows Download and install it. Open your Claude, and go to upper left corner, then select Help, and select Troubleshooting, then enable Developer Mode. If your Claude exit, just reopen it and go to upper left corner again, and we can now see the developer setting. Click Configure Third-Party Interference, and set up your connection. Select Static API Key for credential kind. Then paste the URL of Anthropic here. Then go to Router link, check the link on my description below. Copy the link, then paste it on your browser. It will open the agent router, and sign up using your GitHub account. Make sure your GitHub account is at least 1 year older. Go to API token, and create a token. Let's name it Claude Code and select unlimited usage. Now let's copy the newly created token and paste it in Claude Gateway API key. Select Bearer in Gateway Auth Scheme and test the connection. After successfully testing the connection, you will see the model discovery for Claude OPUS 5 and OPUS 4.8. Save and restart your Claude. After restarting, you can now successfully use the Claude OPUS 4.8 and Claude OPUS 5. Thank you for watching.